Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by minimizing risk. Put the game into borderless window or windowed mode so the engine can move between displays without a crash. While the game runs, open your system display settings or the GPU control panel. Make sure the target monitor is active and set to the desired resolution and refresh rate. Mismatches cause stutter. Once done, note which display is labeled 1 and 2 so you can assign the primary display quickly in the next step. Now change which screen counts as primary. In display settings, click the target monitor and select Make this my main display, or use your GPU control panel to set monitor priority and apply the profile. Once applied, return to the game. The HUD and mouse capture should follow the primary display. If the game doesn't move, press Alt plus Tab, then restore it to force the engine to redetect full screen. Make sure the in-game resolution and refresh rate match the new monitor to avoid scaling or tearing. Finalize by saving both your GPU profile and the game's display settings so the switch persists. If you hit a black screen or lost signal, quickly use Windows plus P to toggle duplicate or extend, which forces reinitialization, then set main display again. If the problem continues, revert the game to windowed mode, replug the cable, or restart the GPU driver. Those steps usually restore output without terminating your session. One tip: keep a
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.